Hi, this is Congressman Mike Arcuri. Last April, I voted for, and the President signed into law, legislation to protect consumers from credit card abuses. I think it is completely fair to say that there are very few people across the country who haven't been the victim of a frivolous charge or fee assessed by their credit card company at some point. And this legislation I voted for in April set out to rid the consumer of these frivolous charges and prevent credit card companies from taking advantage of you. At the card company's request, we agreed to phase in these needed reforms gradually, with the good faith that they would not change their policies before the start of the new regulations. But instead of slowly phasing in improvements, card companies quickly ushered in even more outrageous abuses. They've jacked up rates and thrown on fees. They've moved in the wrong direction, and they violated the spirit of our agreement. Many of these same card companies came before Congress a year ago, hat in hand, asking for assistance, and the federal government decided that it was appropriate to offer them that financial aid to save the companies and the consumer. Now these companies are trying to squeeze the last dollar out of struggling consumers. Enough is enough. Since card companies have proven they can adjust their rates and fees swiftly, there's no reason to delay enacting the necessary changes to protect you. That is why I voted for the Credit Card Effective Date Change Act this week to move up the start date for the comprehensive credit card reform legislation passed in April. Instead of waiting 9 months, this legislation introduces new consumer protections immediately. We here in Congress have a duty to protect the American people now, and to that end, I am proud that we have decided to enact these necessary changes sooner rather than later. Thank you. This is Congressman Arcuri.